So what's up YouTube? What's up family? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. And you're here to see this video because you want to know how to build your credit with a credit card. You'll need to get a secure credit card. So basically the bank will give you a certain amount that you have to give them to secure that line of credit that they're going to give you. So say if it's $300, you'll give them $300 and they'll give you a 300 credit card and you can start building your credit. I wish I would have known this when I was younger. Unfortunately, I was focused on different things, as a teenager, girls, sports, and friends, parties, and stuff that, didn't really bring value to my life at that, well, I guess at this time, but then it was fun. So number two will be, if you're not approved for a secure credit card, you'll have to go to one of your favorite stores: Best Buy, Target, Kohl's, Amazon, and they'll definitely approve you for one. Though the interest rate might be a little bit higher than normal, but you need to build credit and you need to start somewhere. So here's somewhere where you can get stuff you need, you pay it off, and what I suggest is to have maybe 70% of what the value is of whatever you're buying and keep it at 30% and you pay that off slowly. And in this 6 months, it'll boost your credit if you don't have any. If you have bad credit, it'll up it up as well. So that's the good part as well. The third option is having a joint credit card or account with someone someone that's responsible, someone that will make the payments on time, and that, you can trust, because you don't want them, or you don't want you to be using that card and then having 80 to 90% maxed out on that card, and then your credit is just gonna. So yeah, you need to be careful with credit cards. Credit cards are like guns, I want to say, because if you don't use it right, you'll shoot yourself in the foot and you'll get yourself set back another 6 months or a year. So you need to be careful. Number four is going to be being added as an authorized user on a credit card. This is much different than having a joint account, okay? And you'll be able to use the card as well, but the credit that your family member or your whoever you choose that has a good credit will jump over to you. Just make sure that card stays open and you don't close it. So with this, what I'm trying to give you some advice is, you're trying to build history, because that's one of the main points of all these credit bureaus, is you need to build history. Like, if you were to buy something from me, you want to know that I have good reviews, that I'm doing everything well, that or if I'm providing a service as well. You want to be credible when you're going to get money, basically. And this is how this credit works. Okay, so another advice is stay below 30%. Don't go over it, or at least try to stay below it. I know sometimes things happens and you have to use it, but keeping it under 30 keeps a credit bureau happy, and they'll, reward you because of that and everything. And I think this is amazing, because when I started, building my credit with two credit cards, one from Best Buy and one from Navy Federal. The one from Best Buy helped me out a lot, because I was really low because of my student loan, so I was like maybe like in the 600s, and once I had the Best Buy card, it like in 6 months I was almost at 700, and to me that was amazing. But then, stuff happens. I had to get another credit card, and that helped me out even more to get into like the 700s because I was able to pay it off and be good, you know. So this is just a quick video. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe. If you like the video, subscribe, like. I appreciate it. Thank you.